What caresses excite men the most? Do you want to make your partner crazy and you don't know how? Sex, in addition to penetration, has many previous stimuli to which attention should be paid to make the experience unforgettable. A good sexual journey is one in which there is no hurry, in which all the details are taken into account and in which the preliminary games have an important role because they are the prelude to the excitement and the moment in which the bodies have more sex appetite. In this entry, we are going to discover what are the caresses that most excite men so you can drive him crazy in bed. 1. Get close to your lover's ear and start caressing it. A good way to start warming the environment is to get close to your lover's ear and start caressing it with the fingertips. Then you can bring your lips close and whisper some words, some phrases that are a little bit raised of tone that will get him to start predisposing himself to sex. Then you can combine the whispers with some kisses that cover both the outside of the ear and the inside. This part of the body is one of the most sensitive and both men and women react immediately when they are stimulated, so starting here is a very good choice. 2. Stimulate the neck. Another part of the body of the man very erogenous and perfect to stimulate is the neck. You can start by gently caressing the entire neck and then begin to squeeze a little by doing a light massage in this area. Then, you can bring your lips close and start kissing little by little to increase the passion and end up also using your tongue and give some small bites that will excite him. Above all, you have to combine the softness with the passion so that the boy experiences that pleasure at the time of the caresses. Think that if you use a slow rhythm all the time, in the end, it will become boring, and if you do it fast and passionate you can get overwhelmed or pass up. 3. Imagination and touch. Another of the caresses that excite men the most are those made in the back. You can start doing a massage and then kiss the area, lick it and start raising the tone a little more. The soft scratches are also often liked by many men. You can also choose to undress the top and rub his back with your breasts, telling him, in a very low voice, what you are doing. Imagination and touch are great allies for sexual arousal, so play these weapons well and you will get your lover to melt with pleasure. 4. Keep going down. We continue going down the body of the man to focus, now, in the lower belly area. It is a very exciting part because you start to be closer to the genitals as well as being very sensitive to touch. So start caressing the area near the belly button and go down with your fingers to the hips area by gently sliding your hand through the pubis but without reaching the penis. Making yourself wait and that he wants sexual contact is also a perfect way to get the excitement to reach unimaginable levels. You can combine caresses with wet kisses that will drive him crazy and make him want more than ever. 5. Now we will focus on the inner part of the thigh. Once we get here, the excitement of the man will be such that, most likely, it is already visible in his member. Walk your fingers through this part and approach his genitals without touching them. It can escape you a soft caress with one finger, but that is not recurring or a widely used resource. It is best to look like an accident. If you want to raise the temperature more, you can kiss the area, giving soft bites and going up without ever reaching his parts. You will drive him crazy with pleasure. 6. Caress the genitals. Once you have reached this area, the next step is to caress the genitals. You can start with the area of the perineum, that is, the union of the testicles and the anus, since it is one of the parts that give men the most pleasure. But you can also choose to go directly to the penis or testicles and begin to caress gently first, lowering your hand little by little so that he feels the contact, and then gradually increase the rhythm by combining the movement in the penis with caresses in the testicles. If you feel like it, you can bring your lips close and make him oral sex to make his experience unforgettable. Learn how to get a man to love you. Click or tap the link on or below this video to download this free ebook.